Hi, this is Joe from Vinny's Marketing, and I'm gonna go through the video that I said I would send you, showing you how you could outrank your opponents in your area. So your area is Denver, Colorado. Um, this is one of your competitors, Mountain Men Welding and Fabrication. So they have a decent looking site. They have some pictures. I don't know if they have any metadata behind these pictures. So what metadata is it pretty much puts a keyword behind every picture, so it explains what it does. So like this one is obviously you're going to put pipe welding or pipe welding in a confined area if there's a cap on it, something like that. Well, that will all build strength because that helps customers that are looking for that individual trade, sends it right to that picture. Um, got all these different pictures that should have metadata, and that'll build more power into your website also. Doesn't look like they have too much content, so that's going to show in their Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that I use to look up websites and see how strong they are. And the reason that their domain ranking is so low was because that individual page doesn't have enough content. So their domain rating is for the whole website, but a lot of that judgment is going to come off of the first page. And that first page, other than it having pictures, doesn't have much. It doesn't explain what they do. So the customer doesn't really know if they're looking for somebody, what's going on with this. Their UR ranking is because they have pictures, they probably have metadata behind it, and they have a few keywords on here, and they have links. So these links right here are very important because that leads you to another site, which also brings more power to you. So this one wouldn't be too hard to beat out. You could beat this one out and gain some leverage on them on the Google Map Pack, where most individuals search to find something. Here's another one, all around fabrication. Another great one with some pictures, shows you what they do, beautiful art, really reels you in. But then when you're going to look for what they do, it doesn't say much. You don't really know. Just pictures with metadata, a little bit of explanation. But if I really didn't know anything about this website, I wouldn't know, oh, what all do they offer? So it's really important to put that on your first page because Google sees that and they say, all right, they got a lot of knowledge on that page. That's a strong page. That's why when you look at their Ahrefs, their UR is super weak. It's only a 10, so that could really, really grow and help them climb the ladder. Their domain ranking is awful, so they don't have enough backlinks. They don't have enough referring domains to get them ranked higher. They only have a few keywords for a whole site. So yeah, they don't even have 200 words of content, which Google really frowns upon. They don't like that. Merit Welding, this is one of your more high-end welding companies. But again, they just have pictures, they have a little bit of content, they definitely have a lot of metadata, and they have a couple links. So when you go through that, you're like, all right, some links, it'll send you to different pages, show you what they do. But again, they don't have a lot of keywords. They don't have very many different domains or backlinks. This is even a sponsored page. They get sponsored to get leads in. But if they just fixed their website, they would get more leads because when people search for stuff, the organic keywords are very, very important because a lot of people don't know the professional terms for stuff. So they look up certain words and we'll go to their organic keywords. So Merit's still just all their names. So that's all the keywords they rank for because they don't have enough content. And then like this all around fabrication, they have 49 keywords. So welding in Denver, 200 search volume. That's super high. So it says that there is individuals that want work done, and that's usually what they put in the most, 200. Um, so yeah, if we built you a website and put a bunch of keywords in, you get a lot more customers because obviously there's volume of people looking for that, but these people don't have enough keywords to get all of that. So that is my video. Let me go through what all this stuff is. So backlinks are links from one page to another. So somebody that you would buy products from, somebody that you would be a consistent customer that buys stuff from you that have a website. If you guys put your name on each other's website. You would both act as a backlink. Referring domains are where those backlinks come from. So just knowing that you have links coming from another professional business acts as a referring domain, which gives you power in Google's eyes. Organic keywords are relative words to a certain skill or product that attract free traffic. So anyone that's searching on Google is going to start putting in something, and then when you see an automatic word pop up when you start putting in a certain trade or category, that's a keyword, and that's something that people search in a high amount, and that's why you get the search volume, is because people look for it so much. So that's why they have 338 keywords, because they have a lot of stuff on there that people look for. They just don't have enough content to rate high enough. So if you have enough organic keywords and enough content, this UR and DR will get up in the 20s and 30s, and it'll be #1 on Google's map packing. You'll be flooded with customers. All right, thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, give me a call at 541-217-8233. All right, thank you. Bye.